CQUniversity has got quite a welcoming culture. So not only is everyone friendly, you've got lecturers, they'll help you out. My name is Shanyn Gilham and I am currently studying a Bachelor's in Paramedic Science. I have been involved in SES over a number of years and I have always enjoyed helping people, so I went into paramedic science as sort of a branch off. My journey started with aviation through CQU and I continued on. Once COVID hit, I had to think, what am I going to go down now? I need a challenge, so I decided to go into health and continued my SES training with it. So my plans are, once I graduate, I become a fully qualified paramedic, and I would also like to move on and start a master's where I combine my aviation and paramedic degree and do some research into mental health. My favourite thing about my courses are they're quite hands-on. I am not a person who likes to stick their nose in the book 24/7. While I do enjoy books, I like to be hands-on, elbows deep in something. My experiencing with the teaching staff is they're always really helpful. I have one in particular who I've actually gone to quite a lot, just simply for basic mentoring. And he helps me out every now and then if I need, a little help with referencing. The Indigenous Support Team supported me through both of my degrees. The Indigenous Services team are actually amazing. They helped me when I first started my degree in aviation. They made sure I had assistance and tutoring and that I was happy and welcomed where I was. I would tell my family and friends if they're interested in CQ to jump in. It's a very welcoming place to be.